Welcome back, guys. This is the 2023 Chevy Trailboss LT. Comes equipped Z71 package, red tow hooks on that front. Comes equipped also with the 2-inch lift, makes it sit a little higher for the off-roaders. Got your nice grip tires for the off-road. 20-inch wheels on there. Come on inside. This thing is sweet, guys. You got your 4x4 in there. Big, massive screens up there. Comes equipped with your cloth seating as well. There's that Trailboss. She sits nice. Full bed liner in the back. Step rails down at the bottom. Z71 Trailboss. If this is something you guys could see yourselves getting into, contact me here at Peoria Ford. Carson Ramirez, 602-748-7535. Have a great night.